Crystal of the day. And today, let's focus on malachite. Malachite is a crystal na maraming forms. As you can see here, meron siyang mga typical na raw form. Ayan, ganyan. Hilaw lang siya. Or meron din siyang tinatawag nating botryoidal. A form or a growth pattern ng isang crystal wherein it creates bubbles or yung bilog-bilog. Ang tawag sa ganito is a botryoidal pattern. Ang maganda dyan kasi sometimes this bilog-bilog na pattern like this can form what we call as a bullseye. O, nakita niyo maganda yung pagkakabilog nitong isang kapiranggot na tong growth na to, and look at. So normally they are sold in many forms. So again, like I said, merong raw, merong gantong raw na mas kita mo yung botryoidal, or merong tumbled pieces, and you can also see the patterns over here. Now sometimes they also grow with azurite kasi normally kakambal ng malachite ang azurite. Benefits of malachite. So, nakaka-promote ng good decision making, nagkakaroon ng mental clarity para hindi ka nag-overthink, also promotes growth and success and financial freedom, at saka this is the stone of transformation. Nagbibigay ng life changes at breaking of old habits. So, maganda talaga to para sa mga tao na gusto ng bagong direction in life for 2026. O, diba? That's it for our crystal for the day. Comment down below kung anong crystal ang gusto nyong makita. Bye!